Welcome to our channel. We are here to provide valuable insights and tips on how to make money online in the comfort of your own home using only the internet and remodeling successful strategies from successful entrepreneurs. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of affiliate marketing for beginners. Whether you're new to the concept or looking to enhance your knowledge, this video is for you. So let's get started. First off, definition and benefits of affiliate marketing. Before we delve into the details, let's begin by understanding what affiliate marketing is and why it's a lucrative opportunity for beginners. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. It allows you to earn passive income, as you don't need to create your own products or deal with customer support. All you need is a computer and an internet connection to get started. Next to our list is finding a profitable niche. The next step is to find a profitable niche to focus your affiliate marketing efforts on. Choosing a niche allows you to target a specific audience and build credibility within that industry. Start by identifying your interests, passions, and areas of expertise. Then market research to understand the demand for products or services in your chosen niche. Then look for popular affiliate programs and products that align with your niche, as this will increase your chances of success. Now, let's go to our next topic. Selecting the right affiliate program. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to select the right affiliate programs. Look for programs that offer competitive commission rates, reliable tracking systems, and a good reputation. Research the affiliate program's terms and conditions, payment methods, and support resources. It's essential to choose programs that align with your values and the interests of your target audience. Remember, the quality of the products you promote will impact your reputation as an affiliate marketer. Next in our lesson is building an online presence. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to establish a strong online presence. Start by creating a website or a blog that focuses on your niche. Provide valuable content to your audience, such as product reviews, tutorials, and informative articles. Optimize your website for search engines to attract organic traffic. Additionally, leverage social media platforms to expand your reach and engage with your audience. Building a brand and a loyal following will significantly increase your chances of success. Effective promotion and marketing strategies. Now that you have a website and affiliate programs in place, it's time to focus on effective promotion and marketing strategies. Utilize search engine optimization or SEO techniques to rank higher in search results and create compelling content that encourages visitors to take action and make a purchase. Leverage email marketing to build a subscriber list and nurture relationships with your audience. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to expand your reach. Remember, consistency and patience are key to building a successful affiliate marketing business. And lastly, analyzing and optimizing performance. As you progress in your affiliate marketing journey, it's crucial to analyze and optimize your performance. Use analytics tools to track your website's traffic, conversions, and sales. Identify the strategies that are working well and those that need improvement. Continuously test different promotional techniques, landing pages, and calls to action to maximize your conversion rates. Lastly, stay updated with industry trends and adapt your approach accordingly. Congratulations! You've now learned the basics of affiliate marketing for beginners. Always remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and dedication. So keep learning, experimenting, take massive actions, and refine your strategies. There you have it. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. Thank you for watching.